fish.
I was really hoping.
What? That's the smallest thing I've ever seen.
It's not barren.
I've come out. The most horrendous conditions I've ever fished in, if I'm completely honest. The GoPro does it no justice. The bow almost sinks every single time. Lawson's fallen on the bait board, he's broken it. It's not just once but twice. Oh my god.
I mean, it's trying to get my feet in it.
Sasquatch on board. Hey, I'm Jackson. 1 year ago I bought a boat and have been learning the ropes ever since, all with the ultimate goal of becoming a waterman and catching a once-in-a-lifetime fish. I didn't want to do this alone, so I brought along a couple of blow ends. We don't particularly know what we're doing, but we're having a friggin' good time figuring it out.
Oh, that would be a really good thumbnail. I'm so stuck.
Do you want to measure it up?
These
or
have
not?
a size limit, don't they?
Yeah, oh, also I don't think they're good eating at all. Please chuck it back. Please.
I might just turn that up a bit.
You're making it very dramatic sounding. Do you need the net? You don't need the net? Oh, it's the same fish! It's the same fish!
Well, give me my fish back!
Wait, that's crazy though. That's, hopefully we can get a big one.
Yeah, that sure tastes great.
Alright, please sit down. Please sit.
Yeah,
yes.
might.
Nice. What?
Does it look bigger?
It does look bigger like that.
Oh, wait, my hands.
Oh my
I
god!
need to make my hands look smaller.
Sasquatch hands on the board as well. Dude, that's pretty cool, man. How do you feel?
Yeah, sensational.
Wait, I'll be 1 sec and then I'll be right with you. Swear to God.
They're a little bit slight.
It feels like a bit survival mode out here, doesn't it? To be honest.
It's so unstable.
Maybe a snapper, surely. Something like a snapper. Oh, what is it? Oh, it's a pink snapper! Yes! Is that size? Oh, dude, that's a great thing though. How insane that there's actually like the thing that we're chasing. We've got it.
Target species, found it!
Oh my god! It's bigger than you are!
Oh, he's on! Big!
I don't know, man. I don't know. Oh, no, it's all the same shit, isn't it? The same tug lug. This one's something a tiny bit bigger. Oh! There's another one. Oh, get out.
Oh, you're on!
Wait. Oh! Oh! Is there like a fish on there the whole time? I think there might have been a squid on that because it was kind of sucking and then it released. Surely this has had some kind of nibble. Nothing! Absolutely nothing!
Oh my god.
Yeah. What is this? Are we on?
There we go.
Oh, it's zooming! It's zooming!
Good? It's a little bit better.
Holy shit! Wait, it's actually a freight train.
Oh, nah.
Oh, he's lying.
It's better.
Oh man, this is fucking huge! Oh, it just snapped. Oh no, it came out. Dude, not bad.
Better.
That's 40. That's got to be 40, surely. Do you want this?
Yeah.
No, you don't want this?
Nah, this one's
I used to work at a fishmonger. I don't need that. Oh, dude, a proper measurement. You measure it backwards.
What are we at?
That's.
37 maybe?
Oh, so we still need 10 centimeters.
It's better.
Hold him up for the thing. Like so we can just look at it. I'm just looking at hands. I don't see anything. Oh!
Ow!
Dude, look at the spots on that thing. Wow.
Beautiful fish.
Okay, throw it back, get a big one. Woo!
That was better.
Have we drifted off the spot?
Alright, let's move back to the spot.
Actually, I am
on the spot. You got that right.
You know, if you're using a glove,
Yeah, why
you
don't we have gloves on this boat?
We were never on the spot.
Well, it's actually more like We're just off the back of it. We're probably in like the perfect spot actually. But it's probably like there in front of us more. Or to the side, I don't know, Lawson's side.
My side.
Did that pull like 10x harder? It looked like it was giving a bit more grief.
You made it look like it was on its side.
Because it was close, mate. Like
No, but it wasn't tight.
a bee's dick. It was a bee's
Yeah,
dick.
potatoes are harder than that sort of thing.
Oh, you cheeky bastard! Do you want it in half? Oh.
No.
Oh no. Oh, you wouldn't even know. What are you talking about? Is it same as before?
It's 13 centimetres good.
Oh, no it wasn't. It was size. It was definitely size.
They can tell these are Californian.
Yeah.
Have we met? Oh. Oh, this changes everything!
Oh, I immediately feel it.
I feel so much better.
Oh, you just took it there. You just took your drag right down just to keep it.
Dude, I'm getting the same thing.
Shall I measure it?
Oh, this one is too. Oh, they're in cahoots. They're in cahoots.
The one I just threw that.
It's got a little bit smaller now.
Yeah, same. Damn.
Oh, it's better.
Oh, that's not bad at all.
That's not it.
Mine is just always a tiny bit smaller. Dude, that is close, man. That is close. That's like... We're talking, it's got to be... What are we dealing with here? A bit of a... Damn it! It's like it's offspring.
That's the one I took back for sure.
I feel like this app is changing my life. Just being able to like actually see what we're fishing on. Oh, he's on finally! Get the net! Get the net!
I was watching that thing go ballistic over the way.
That is definitely a little Hezbollah. Oh, it's our first edible fish. Oh, it's got to jump. Look at it go. I don't see a net anywhere. Is it a tailor? Don't be a tailor.
Ah! Fuck! Is it?
Wait, was it a tailor? I didn't even see it. Oh, well, it would have been way on as well. Oh, do you have one? Oh, no.
He's gonna get nothing on that black magic.
If they're any herring,
That black magic, Roger.
what's that?
It was a bad purchase. You were not sure about it.
It's huge.
Where was it?
Oh, it's pretty good. Oh, he's going to lose it. He's definitely going to lose it. Oh! Just in the nick of time.
Is it a herring?
It's a herring. Okay, we need the bucket now. We've got to bleed him out.
Now, show me.
Oh, the bait. What do we do? All right, we've got to sacrifice it. Is it actually? Oh, amateur. We're losing this one to the anchor well, the fuel well. That's a good size.
Can we? You guys have a smaller plastic thing?
Oh, like Lumitube. Lumitube?
That plus like feathers.
Oh, I can see. Wait, he's just dragging that?
Yeah.
That caught a fish.
Yes. Well, we don't know if it just got on when we stopped, or if it was on skull dragging it the whole time.
They must be so desperate.
Now that's four.
I know, I think it's marking the drop off. Oh, we've got to land this one, boys. We need at least 2 herring.
Ready for it.
Herring.
He's zooming, dude. Oh, he's huge! Look at him pull me down.
Bring him up.
Oh!
Lose it again.
No! There was so many going crazy. Fuck, this lure sucks.
They're notorious for spinning hooks.
Not at Herring City, they're not.
Bus rider with this now, though.
Yeah. That's the black magic for you.
What's a goatfish? What is that? Goatfish?
Oh, that's delicious.
That's a goatfish. It's actually really good.
They're good at eating, I think.
Is it size?
I don't know what size they're supposed to be.
It actually meant to be really good at eating, legit.
scared where this pole placement is. That was just trolling with that. That's crazy. Oi, oi, oi.
Big whiting.
Please. Oh, it's another one of them. Damn it. Was yours bigger than that? Yours a little bit bigger.
I reckon that like 5 metre in mark on 5 fathoms.
KJ Dubland. All right, we're rocking and rolling. I've never had so much success fishing, but also felt like failing as well.
Yeah.
Gotta be it.
Give me my line.
This is the zone.
Well, this is looking a bit squiddy.
Do you still have the, is there a rod with a squid jig on it?
Yeah.
There is?
Little one at that.
I thought they were already in the belly bag.
There's some in the belly bag already.
Right. Oh, big fly, big battery.
No. Yeah. But oh, herring, Hezbollahs. They're back.
Get him in here.
Do we have a lure of any kind? No. I'm at the point where I'm just like, I just want herring just to get enough. Oh, the herring are going nuts down there.
Let me see him.
Oh. Oh. Herring. Yes.
Oh, is he done it?
Oh. No, I get it. Yes. The technical assist.
Yeah.
Oh.
What you gotta do, you just
Fuck.
keep the herring.
Oh, there's a squid there. There's a squid. There's a squid.
I knew it.
Oh no. Oh, we're so on now though. Look. Just herring after herring after herring after blowfish. You should just watch that. Like, I don't want that shit. This feels good though. This feels a positive little start, isn't it? All right, where is that herring? We have.
It's under my foot somewhere.
Oh, I can hear it. I can hear it, but I can't see it. Oh, it's not in there, is it? Oh, it is. It's in the anchor thing. In the fuel thing. Oh, yuck. Ugh. Ooh. Covered in diesel.
Just rehook it on your line and
Trolling.
what magic?
Dace! Oh, it's a fucking whiting!
What?
Get in the boat!
No!
Yes! Oh, it's not size.
Oh, you could be.
Get the rest out.
Intercepted.
Get the rest out.